If you're a business leader, manager, or team leader, then you're probably already fluent in management speak. You might use phrases like low hanging fruit and thinking outside the box. And maybe you're partial to throwing three-letter abbreviations around, like ETA, ROI, or USP. Another classic, KPI. Oh, yes, this course is all about financial KPIs, key performance indicators. A financial KPI is a measurable value that reveals information about the performance of a business in terms of sales, expenses, profit, cash flow, debt, or any other financial variable. You probably use accounting software to generate the relevant numbers to include in your presentations, and most likely leave the in-depth analysis of your income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement to your accountant. But if you want to get meaningful value from your financial KPIs, you need to know how they are calculated and what they mean. This course will provide an overview of some financial KPIs that are commonly applied to the raw data contained in financial reports.